Section 6. Server-side Swift with Vapor. In this section, we're going to learn how to set up Vapor and run the demo project. Then we're going to learn how to adapt this demo project so that it's compatible with our journaling app that we developed throughout Section 1 and Section 2. In the end, we're also going to discuss frequently asked questions when someone begins to develop with Vapor. Choosing Vapor for server-side development. In this video, we're going to install and set up Vapor. At this point, I also want to point at the great documentation from Vapor that you can reach at docs.vapor.codes. We're going to install Vapor via Brew. If you have not installed Brew yet, please visit their homepage on a detailed guide on how to install Brew. Alright, I would say let's get started then. We're going to fire up a terminal and simply write the following commands. Brew tab Vapor tab. This will update Homebrew. After this command finished, we're going to install Vapor via brew install Vapor tab Vapor. This command will install Vapor on our machine. In my case, the installation was finished quickly as I've installed Vapor once before. After you have installed Vapor, there is a simple command to create a new demo project, and it is Vapor new, and in our case, let's call the project Journaling Server. This command will set up the new project. After it has finished, you are greeted with this nice little terminal animation. To get started, we need to navigate into the folder that was just created. And the name of the folder is the name of the project, so in our case, Journaling Server. With the cd command, change directory, you can open the folder. Now to create the Xcode project, you simply run Vapor Xcode. Please make sure you run this command when you are in the project folder. This command now generates the demo project that has some handy boilerplate code that you need. After this command has finished, it asks you if you want to open the project. We can simply answer this with yes. The new Xcode window will appear. And on top, to run the server, we just have to switch to the run scheme. And instead of an iPhone, you select your Mac. Now to run the server, you simply hit Command R. Just make sure you're in the run scheme and the target is your Mac. Let's bring up the console as well. Now as this is building, I'm quickly going to explain what's going to happen. So a server is now being run locally on your device. We will be able to reach that server under the localhost. Alright, now the server has started. All you can see from Xcode at this point is this output statement. The last one is interesting for us, where it says the server was started on HTTP localhost at port 8080. Let's quickly check with our Safari if we can reach that page. So you should be able to visit localhost 8080 and you should be greeted with the command "it works." That was how to install and set up Vapor.